Cleaning the throttle body is a great way to check on the condition of your motor. To start, remove the engine cover, red arrow. It just pulls straight up and off. Then remove the front engine cover piece, blue arrows. Use a pick and slide out the clip, red arrow, holding the hood release handle to the hood release mechanism. With the clip removed, you can lift the handle straight up and off. Use a pick and lift up on the push pins, holding the panel in place, then pull the plastic pins out. Use your hands and pull up the front of the panel out from the connections in the bumper cover, red arrows. The panel will slip forward and out from the connector on the headlight cover, red arrow. Lift out the foam piece by the charged air pipe or Y pipe from the upper cross member. Use a 7mm socket and loosen the 2 screws holding the rubber bellows between the Y pipe and the throttle body indicated by the red arrows. Compress the bellows and slide it up and off. Press down on the tab on the electrical connection at the bottom of the throttle body and separate it from the throttle body, red arrow. Release the wiring harness from the clip on the bottom of the throttle body, red arrow, and set the harness aside. Release the 4 T25 screws that hold the throttle body to the intake manifold, red arrows. Remove these screws. Once the screws are removed, the throttle body housing is free and can be removed. Always replace the throttle body gasket. Besides cleaning the throttle body, now is a good time to clean out the intake manifold as well. Do it as best you can. A little oil residue is expected. A lot is a sign of an unhealthy engine. Installation is the reverse of removal. Always coat the gasket with Porsche synthetic gasket lubricant and torque the 4 screws to 7 Nm or 5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.